Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share an authentic tangy fish recipe of Assam. This plant named knotweed, known as moduhulang in Assamese. This plant has a tangy taste and has medicinal benefits too. Luckily, this plant is available in our kitchen garden, so I'm plucking it from there and will wash it off and chop. Friends, our main ingredient is fish, so I am taking katla fish, which is known as bahumas in Assamese. I am taking 1 tomato, 1 onion, ginger, etc. Without wasting the time, let's start the video. In a pan, I am adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of mustard oil. I'll cook the fish pieces. I am taking 5 fish pieces which were coated with turmeric powder and salt. I'll fry it until golden brown. Now I'm flipping carefully like this. Okay, it's well cooked, so I am keeping this aside. In the same pan, I am adding 5 spices, which is known as pasforon, adding green chilies, chopped onion, and stirring. I'll stir it until golden brown. It's done. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm adding and stirring, and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Now it's time to add chopped tomatoes. And stir well. Now I am adding salt to taste. Now I am adding the chopped tangy leaves or moduhulang. And stirring. I'll cook it for 5 minutes like this. After 5 minutes, it's well cooked, and I am adding boiled potatoes. I am taking 2 boiled potatoes and combine well like this. Once it's fried properly, add water on it. I am adding hot water. Let it cook for 5 minutes, so I am covering it. Leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am adding fish pieces and again I'll cook it for 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame, and so I'm covering it. After 15 minutes, it's done. So my tangy fish recipe is done. I hope everyone liked my recipe. If you like my recipe, then like and comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.